Okay, so today we're going over types of bonding. So the three types are ionic, covalent, and metallic. So just as an overview, ionic is transferring of atoms, covalent is sharing, and metallic is just like a sea of electrons. Or sorry, I meant transferring of electrons back there. Okay. So metallic is a sea, free-flowing electrons. Okay, so the first example for ionic is, say you have sodium over here and chlorine over here. Sodium only has one valence electron and chlorine has 7 because it is a halogen. So because sodium is a metal, it likes to give away electrons, and because chlorine is a non-metal, it likes to take. So this is like a perfect match. Just transfer the electron over there. There's the electron going, and as a result, you have a positively, that's still an eraser. I'm great at this. Okay, positively charged sodium and a negative charged chlorine because it gained an electron. So with this, they come together because positives and negatives attract, and then you get salt. Okay, so next example. Gotta erase all of this. Okay, next example is covalent bonding. So this is kind of like the most classic one. You have oxygen here and you have 2 hydrogens. So hydrogen has one valence electron, and oxygen has, wow, there's a truck coming by. Oxygen has 6. So these will come together perfectly because hydrogen needs 1 more electron and oxygen needs 2. So these go together and they start sharing their electrons. But because oxygen is a non-metal, and needs more electrons, it is slightly negatively charged because it hogs most of those electrons, which makes hydrogen slightly positive. So this example is of a non-polar covalent bond. There's also polar, but yeah, that's one example. Okay, so then we're going to erase. So then we have metallic bonding, which is, I think a lot of people call it like a sea of electrons or something. So say we have, so in the transition metals, or metallic bonding is only in the transition metals. So say we have a bunch of metals over here. Here's the protons, drawn perfect circles. Okay, so there's the protons, and then you have the electrons orbiting around them. Just go over here. Electrons just floating over there. Those are the great drawings of electrons. Okay. So because these are transition metals, there's a lot of unpaired electrons. So then this becomes a sea of electrons just floating everywhere. The electrons can just go all the way over here, and everywhere. So it just creates this sea. And this is why metals are so malleable and are like good conductors, because electricity means the flow of electrons. And these are the flow of electrons, so when electrons come through here, say this is like a wire or something, they can easily just pass through this sea and get to the other side. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something and enjoyed the video. Thank you.